Motion control and motor control are two of my favorite topics in all of automation. And sometimes we just need really simple motor control, which we usually turn to the contactor for that job. All it does is provide on and off electricity. It can't vary the speed. It can't do all kinds of fancy torque control for a motor, but it can turn it on and off. And that's all we need for a lot of applications. Sometimes though, we need to go one step further, and instead of just on and off, we need on and off in two different directions, or reversing control. And the way that can be accomplished is either through use of a variable frequency drive, which can be complex and expensive, difficult to set up, or we can use a reversing contactor. The way most of these work is a pair of two contactors that are connected with this reversing bus bar. This reversing bus bar has 6 contact points on it, and they come in a pair. The two in the set are not exactly the same. On the one side, we have a set of connectors that connects terminals 1, 2, and 3 of one contactor to 3, 2, and 1, the reverse order, on the other contactor. Now we turn to the opposing set of reversing contactor bus bars, and this one connects 1, 2, and 3 to terminals 1, 2, and 3 on the other contactor. And when we've assembled these two together, what this accomplishes is that terminals 1 and 3 are reversed depending on which of the contactors we energize. We do have to be really careful though not to energize both contactors at the same time, or phases 1 and 3 will be connected to each other, and that's a direct short. So usually we have some sort of a strategy or mechanical interlock that prevents both of these from being energized at the same time. But this is a really simple way to reverse two of the phases, which according to the fundamentals of three-phase electricity, that's how we reverse the direction of rotation for a three-phase motor. It's a really simple and genius way to be able to use two simple devices to provide just a little bit fancier control than just on and off in a single direction.